Well, the Mahakumbh, an event that transcends faith, history and geography to become one of the greatest spiritual gatherings in the world, has officially commenced in UP's Prayagraj. Lakhs of devotees from across India and the world have congregated to take the holy dip at the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and the mythical Saraswati River. The first few hours of the first day of Mahakumbh witnessed 60 lakh devotees taking the holy dip. In fact, officials have claimed that in the last 2 days alone, 85 lakh people have bathed in the Sangam. This year's Mahakumbh is more special due to a rare celestial alignment occurring only once in 144 years. Over the next 45 days, the Mahakumbh is expected to witness participation from over 45 crore devotees. It is estimated that 15 lakh devotees will come from foreign countries. And this gathering is not just a religious event, it's a global celebration of faith, history and tradition. Before we delve deeper into the significance of the Holy Mahakumbh, let's give you reports straight from Kumbh Nagari. These reports capture the mood, the flavor and the grandeur of the event, where people are immersed in devotion as they embrace spirituality and divinity to the fullest.
ये एक और तस्वीर देखिए। आप कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
मैं प्रयागराज का हूँ।
प्रयागराज से हैं?
जी, लक्ष्मण सिंह मेरा नाम है। मैं अपने पूरे परिवार के साथ आया हूँ यहाँ।
पूरे परिवार के साथ? जरा आप लोग आइए आइए इधर आइए।
कभी छोटा था तो मेरे पिताजी मुझे लेके यहाँ पे आए थे। फिर बीच में अपने दोस्तों के साथ आया और आज मैं अपने परिवार के साथ लेके आया। पुनरावृत्ति है इतिहास की।
इतिहास की पुनरावृत्ति है। आप लोग का क्या नाम है?
अर्चिता सिंह।
किस क्लास में आप?
7th में।
तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको महाकुंभ में आकर?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
हाँ।
कुछ पापा के साथ गाती बजाती आप भी हैं?
हाँ।
तो कुछ सुनाइए आप लोग जरा।
पापा ही करते हैं।
चला देखी आई, चला देखी आई, नजर भर के नजर भर के नजर भर 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 के चला देखी आई, चला देखी आई। कुंभ के नगरिया, कुंभ के नगरिया, आइले सब जन चला देखी आई, नजर भर के नजर भर के नजर भर 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 के चला देखी आई। राम संग सीता और लक्ष्मण दो भैया, राम संग सीता और लक्ष्मण दो भैया, यही दुआरे आइले चला देखी आई, चला देखी आई। नजर भर के नयन भर के नयन भर 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 के चला देखी आई।
सनातन के सबसे बड़े समागम महाकुंभ की शुरुआत हो चुकी है और पहले दिन पौष पूर्णिमा का स्नान जारी है। इस वक्त हम संगम क्षेत्र के पास मौजूद हैं और यहाँ पर किस तरीके से सनातनियों का रेला लगा हुआ है, उसकी जो एक तस्वीर है वो हम आपको दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि ये संगम नोज है और यहाँ पर आस्था की डुबकी लगाने के लिए, यानी गंगा, यमुना और अदृश्य सरस्वती में आस्था की डुबकी लगाने के लिए लाखों की संख्या में जो श्रद्धालु हैं वो इस वक्त यहाँ पर पहुंचे हुए हैं। अब माना यह जा रहा है कि हर घंटे लगभग 2 से 2.5 लाख जो श्रद्धालु हैं वो इस वक्त संगम तट पर पहुंच रहे हैं और सुबह के लगभग 9 बज रहे हैं और देखिए इस वक्त लगभग 45 लाख के आसपास जो श्रद्धालु हैं वो संगम में स्नान कर चुके हैं। माना यह जा रहा है कि पूरे दिन लगभग 1 से 1.25 करोड़ के आसपास जो श्रद्धालु होंगे वो आस्था की डुबकी लगाएंगे और कहीं ना कहीं पुण्य की कामना करेंगे। दरअसल आज कल पौष पूर्णिमा के स्नान के साथ ही कल्पवास का जो संकल्प होता है, जो व्रत होता है वो शुरू हो जाता है और अगले 1 महीने तक जो श्रद्धालु होंगे वो ऐसे ही संगम तट पर कल्पवास करेंगे।
Now, devotees from not just India but around the world are flocking to the Triveni Sangam to take a holy dip during the Mahakumbh Mela. Despite the freezing waters during the cold winter season, a group of foreign devotees also took a dip in the holy Sangam. In fact, Lawrence Powell Jobs, or Kamala, the wife of Apple co-founder Steve Jobs, also arrived in Prayagraj to participate in the Mahakumbh Mela. A devoted follower of the Swamiji, the Acharya Mahamandleshwar of the Akhada, she also reached the spiritual camp a day before yesterday and she has been accompanied by a 40-member team. Mahakumbh is an experience that transforms not only the pilgrims but also the observers who witness the power of this collective faith. For centuries, Prayagraj has drawn people from across the globe, including scholars, travelers, spiritual seekers. Listen in to what the Mahakumbh experience means to these devotees who have come from the other countries.
Devaraja Sevyamana Pavanangri Pankajam Vyala Yagna Sutramindu Shekaram Kripakaram Naradadi Yogi Vrindavam Ditam Digambaram Kashika Puradinata Kala Bhairavam Bhaje Bhanukoti Bashwaram Bhavabditarakam Param Nilakanda Mepsidartha Dayakam Trilochanam Kala Kala Mambujaksham Akshashodam Aksharam Hare Har Mahadev.
It's been beautiful. It's so well organized. The streets are clean. The people are so friendly and happy. Thousands and thousands of pilgrimage people just enjoying the beauty of the Kumbh Mela.
You have a beautiful tilak on your forehead.
Yeah.
What about this get-up?
We practice Sanatana Dharma around the world. We have a Guru Paramahamsa Vishwananda, and we practice our Sanatana Dharma. We teach it.
So
we spread it in the West.
Hinduism?
Yeah.
How start your journey? How you start?
We landed on the 1st of January. We went up to Nainital, up to Dunagiri, all the way down to Varanasi, and now today we've come to take Snan with all the other pilgrims from around the world. You know, it's very beautiful.
I was in Kerala in 2019, but I haven't been to this part. It's very, very beautiful.
So how do you think about Mahakumbh?
It's very, very powerful. I'm very, very blessed to be going into the Ganges.
It's been beautiful to come and see Gangama, Yamunama, Saraswati Ma. It's a blessing. Yeah. The logic.
Devaraja Sevyamana Pavanangri Pankajam Vyala Yagna Sutramindu Shekaram Kripakaram Naradadi Yogi Vrindavam Ditam Digambaram Kashika Puradinata Kala Bhairavam Bhaje Bhanukoti Bashwaram Bhavabditarakam Param Nilakanda Mepsidartha Dayakam Trilochanam Kala Kala Mambujaksham Akshashodam Aksharam Hare Har Mahadev.
It's a great experience. We have seen you enjoying with the students and in your academy. It must be feeling like home. Talk to us about this exact feeling, because we saw you enjoying a lot with full energy.
Well, I mean, music is joy.
Yeah.
And the tagline of my academy itself is the joy of music.
Yes.
You know, because joy is something that we take for granted. If you are joyful in your mind, you will be able to work anywhere. Whatever profession you are in, if you are in a state of joy, and music gives you joy. और ये जो बच्चे हैं today, you saw the kids performing, they are from different, the economic strata. They are from, places like Dombivli, from Dadar, from Shivaji Park, from Dharavi, so many, and all municipal schools, and they necessarily need not be able to afford a Shankar Mahadevan Academy. So that's why we have started the Inspire India program, where we can teach music to people, wherever you are, we will teach you music.
Sir, India is going ahead with all the dimensions, whether it be technology, whether it be, culture or art, everywhere. But do you think that India is now on that level where it can compete head on head with other countries, Western countries, who earlier used to look down, and few things has changed in past 10-15 years? What you want to tell, what observations you have for past
did you hear the last song that I sang?
Yes, exactly.
Suno gaur se duniya walo sabse aage honge Hindustani. This is what I had composed about 25 years back, but abhi usko change kar diya humne. Sabse aage ab hai Hindustani. We are